Welcome to our exclusive journey through the pages of The Richest Man in Babylon by George S. Clason. In this transformative masterpiece, we will learn the time-tested principles that have paved the way for countless individuals to achieve financial abundance. Join us as we explore the secrets of wealth, passed down from ancient times to the present day. Setting the stage. Our story begins in the majestic city of Babylon, a center of commerce and wealth during the ancient times. As we delve into the pages of The Richest Man in Babylon, we'll transport ourselves back in time to witness the unfolding of these timeless lessons. Lesson 1: The 7 Cures for a Lean Purse. Our first lesson unveils the 7 fundamental principles that lay the foundation for financial success. Reflecting on ancient wisdom. Now that we've absorbed the 7 cures for a lean purse, it's time to reflect on their significance and how they can be applied to our modern lives. Lesson 2: The 5 Laws of Gold. Moving on, we uncover the 5 essential laws that govern the growth and preservation of wealth. Drawing parallels. As we observe the laws of gold, let us ponder how they align with the financial principles of our modern world. Lesson 3: The Gold Lender of Babylon. In this final lesson, we delve into the captivating tale of the Gold Lender of Babylon. Through this story, we unearth crucial insights into the power of utilizing leverage and wise investment strategies. Embracing the lessons. As our journey through The Richest Man in Babylon draws to a close, it's time to reflect on the profound impact these lessons can have on our individual paths to prosperity. The Richest Man in Babylon imparts timeless wisdom that transcends generations. By applying the principles found within its pages, we can transform our financial destinies. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. Remember, by unlocking the secrets of wealth found in The Richest Man in Babylon, you hold the key to a prosperous future. Don't just read the book, live its teachings.